What is going on, my dear Boochhead friends? It has been a while and I wanted to do this video real quick just to tell you what's going on with the channel and where I've been and what's going to happen in the future with the channel. So today was a big bottling day. I bottled 6 gallons. Here's 3 right here with the cork. And I plan on doing another vlog about how the business is doing because so much has changed since that first vlog I did. But for now, here's an update. Where should I start? So my goal with 2022 was to put out a video every week because when I originally started the channel, one of my ideas was brand deals. Like, how cool would that be to get paid to kind of do a commercial for a company? Well, one of the things brands look for is consistency in publishing videos along with subscribers and then audience engagement, stuff like that. So I said, all right, no one's reached out to me, so let me put out a video every week, right? For one, the amount of growth that I will get from staying on top of that and doing that, and the information I'll learn and share. The channel will probably grow, and then the brands would see consistency. However, believe it or not, those flavor of the week videos that are like 3 minutes long take hours and hours and hours because it's so many different videos that I have to clip together and then getting it to match up with my words. So anyway, as you can see, I haven't came through on that goal, which is fine because other things are going on. And I have videos ready. I have a video ready about cameast and vinegar ales. I just haven't had the time to record because I'm a mom first. It's my first duty. Everything else is second. Second is the kombucha business, and you may not know this about me, but I'm also a hypnosis practitioner, and that's kind of just a side job. I just do it a couple times a month. About a month and a half ago, I was doing pretty good. I was putting out shorts, YouTube shorts, putting out my videos. It scaled back to about 1 every 2 weeks, and I felt so stressed out. So I said, what is making me feel this stress? So I started to evaluate my duties. You know, there's things I do. The kids have sports and other activities. I like to work out, garden, walk, things like that, you know, family. And the thing that was stressing me out the most was getting YouTube videos out. And the thing is, the return is not high. So I do get Google AdSense, but it's not a lot of money. Like, it's not enough to pay someone to edit my videos. If I could pay someone. So that's what's been going on. I just want to say one thing. When I started this channel in 2018, all right, I was kind of depressed. I had 3 younger children. My son, I think, was 12. And I just felt like so lost in who I was and what my life had become. And my life had become good, right? Children are good, but if you're a parent, then you also know it's work. And you sacrifice so much of yourself that you get to a point where you're like, am I even a person anymore? Like, who am I? Because you constantly sacrifice, which is what it is, what you do. So I wanted to start this channel because my goal was it would lead to something where I could make money, make a living. Because my youngest will start school in 2023, and it's time for mom to go back to work. I don't want to go back to 9 to 5. I don't want to go back to an office. If I have to, of course I will, right? So the way things are going now, it doesn't look like I'll have to. But the interesting thing is, I wanted to lead to things that make money, and that's how my hypnosis journey came about, which I could talk about in another video. It's a whole different story. And now I have my own kombucha company. Like, wow, it wasn't my intention to start those things, but those are what happened. So the original intention with the channel has happened. It's manifested. So now what do I do? Because in my mind, I also was thinking, well, brand deals, how cool would that be? Because I know people can make a lot of money. Maybe because kombucha is such a small niche. I don't know. But what has been amazing is sharing information that I know and helping so many people, right? That's the heart of it. That's really the heart of it. You have to give value to people for free. You have to give value to people for them to even care. But it's not about manipulating them to care. It's just giving the information. And I love sharing. So like I said, I could put out a video every week. I mean, I have enough ideas. It's just the time to do a little research, put things together. So thanks for listening to that. What happens from here? I think when summer starts, because the 3 littlest will be in camp for 15 hours a week, that I will be able to get more videos out. And who knows, maybe something changes next week and I can get a video out, the cam yeast one. But from here on out until things change, I probably won't be posting a lot. So I just want to let you guys know, because I care about you guys and I just love that I have this community. I mean, it really is amazing. Almost to 3,000 subscribers. I think that's just incredible. I love getting on camera. It's just finding the time to do it. So if you have any questions for me, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And hopefully the next video will be an updated vlog about what's going on with Kombucha Bliss, because wow, oh my God, things are growing. If you're thinking about starting a kombucha business, I urge you to get started doing it. You don't have to know everything. You don't have to have everything. You don't have to put out a lot of money. I mean, eventually you probably will have to dish out money, but you get a return back. People love kombucha. It's still a pretty new thing. Like, not everyone even knows what it is. And I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Hopefully the audio isn't totally fucked though. All right.